weed. She said my look like a drug to her, I turned her to a fiend. Said, baby, can you please slow down, I'm pouring up that lean. I said, baby, can you please turn around and throw it back for me? Throw it back, me, 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 throw that shit me, yo. You know I said dressing all black, yo. I get fly and feel like a bat, yo. I turn a good girl to a net, yo. It's over and shit, let bitch slap, yo. Nah, you can't smoke with me. Nah, you can't sip my lean. Bet it ain't.
Hold on, I gotta change the title, boys. I never changed it.
I cannot fuck with these niggas. I cannot fuck with these bitches. I'm trying to get my rest big up. They see me, they like, hey, that's that nigga.
I got what you need. Pills, lean, weed.
She said my look like a drug to her, I turned her to a fiend. Said, baby, can you please slow down, I'm pouring up that lean. I said, baby, can you please turn around and throw it back for me? Throw it back, me, 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 throw that shit me, yo. You know I said dressing all black, yo. I get fly and feel like a bat, yo. I turn a good girl to a net, yo. It's over and shit, let bitch slap, yo.
What up, Abby? What up, Sid? Hey, thank you, boys. Thank you. I'm in these GJ cells right now. We'll see what happens. I had a 15-minute candle close against me. Overall, though, we're bearish on a 30-minute. And so I took this trade based on we had formed a resistance on the 1 hour here and took it at the break of the low. I was up about almost 10 pips. Well, it says I was up 10, but I wasn't because of spread. But we'll see what happens here. Mainly for the stream today, we're gonna look to take some gold sells, or I mean buys. No sells on gold. No sells on gold. But yeah, let's do a top-down analysis real quick for gold. So turn this down a little bit so you guys can definitely hear me. Alright, so boom. So first of all, let's talk about the fundamentals that we had at the end of the week last week. So we had Ukraine talking about how they're going to more than likely start their campaign with the invasion of Ukraine. Okay, so what does that do for gold? Fundamentally, that makes the price of gold go up, because if there's war, then ties to trade and like just the supply for gold is going to get cut short, right? So because we're not going to be able to get it in, like shipments of gold in from other countries and all that kind of stuff. And so yeah, we've seen gold absolutely explode on this. Or was it? I believe it was like right around like right here actually. Let you link your guys up. Hey bro, more than welcome to. But so from a technical standpoint as well, we've been in this downtrend for gold ever since they had first talked about tapering the stimulus back in 2020. So now we had actually came and broke out of this. So what I was expecting was for us to start pulling back to either here or here, but it looks like we've already formed ourselves a support, and I don't really see too much of a pullback happening now. I think we might just continue moving up. Alright, so let's get rid of all this junk. Gold faked you out in London today for buys. Look at this looking nice, you guys. I want to wait till the MY open, but I think that we could play to look for the gold buys above 1858, right? Let's see, where were the buys that faked you out? Probably here, huh? Right around 2 a.m. Dad, choppy, ugly. Look at that. Started looking like it's coming down. Probably, honestly, might have hit your stop with the spread. And then the next candle, boom, no bottom wick, no top wick, juicer. Tough, bro. I can never trade London. Hey, I couldn't even sit there and make fun of anyone. I mean, not that I ever would make fun of someone for like taking a loss. Bro, I cannot win in London session. I've had one winning trade on London session. It was the GJ buys for 10 pips I called out last week. Every single other trade I've taken in London, I've lost. But, okay, and so let's do the fundamentals for GJ, why we should see us moving down, and this is going to hit my stop loss, huh? Yep. Alright, I'm probably stopped out on this. Let's look. Yep. Is it? It's not loading. Oh, yeah, it definitely is. It definitely did stop me out, boys. Look at it, juice. Yo. Wait, what is this? 30-minute, bro. What is this news we got? Is this news? This has to be news, bro. Let's see what we just had happen here on GJ. I don't know, boys. It's kind of moving away. Anyone else seeing this? Crazy. Well, hey, a good thing we use stop losses around here, right? I have absolutely no idea what just happened here. I don't see any breaking news. Interesting. Alright, well, I guess we'll have to wait and see. I mean, maybe it was just like, I don't know, maybe it is just whatever it wanted to do. I don't know. But anyway, so why we would see GJ moving down this week and why I was calling. So I had originally thought that at the beginning of the week when I had drew this up, that we would actually see candles form and go up and retest this, but no, it just kind of did this upper wick, and then we just saw meltage during the London session. So, but the reason why I would say we are bearish on GJ is because same thing with the conflicts in Ukraine. So we know that the Japanese yen is a safe haven currency, right? Because Japan has negative, they try to keep negative interest rates on because of all the shipping and exporting that they do. So if we look at the JXY, we should see us starting to move up. I mean, this is so far today, and the weekly candle that we're on came down, rejected this area. Last week we ended up closing bullish too. But we'll see. It might be a choppy, ugly week for GJ because we also have on Wednesday CPIs on the pound, and they're forecasting about even numbers, which would be better, right? Because we've been seeing increased inflation. So now that they've actually put something in, which they have, to counter the inflation, if we're seeing lower than the actual that we had last time, which is what they're forecasting, then that would be good for the pound. But in my opinion, I believe that the sentiment with Ukraine holds more weight than a simple CPI, right? We might have to play some sells today on gold if we start breaking below here. I don't know. This is a 100 pip range from here to here. I don't like the counter trend, but I might have to take it. And then plus we know that this is clean traffic moving down, plus we're more than likely going to retest this area. We might be able to take this on this 15-minute candle close here. Ideally, I'd like to wait until 8 a.m. because there's also a chance that we push down for them to get better buys, right? So we'll have to wait and see what happens here today. So what's GJ doing now? What is it looking like now? Whew. Yeah, I don't know, boys. That's crazy. That's why we use stop losses. Look at this size of this GJ 1 minute. 47 pips. GJ said, let me retest that 200 real quick. Yeah, it's about to retest everything. Psycho. Well, it looks like gold kind of rejected that. Alright, we'll have to see with gold. I mean, I like to definitely take the buys. If we could get like a 15-minute candle that prints bullish here, boom, beautiful, perfect. We'll take the buys on the next candle. Leading into New York. Let's go back and refresh this. Oh, so this is what happened. Alright, so they said that there is a way to move forward with talks, okay? We should see gold melt. Because, right, the market, we have to understand that everything's based upon speculation. So when they start talking about what might happen in Ukraine, boom, it started exploding. But if they're talking about, like maybe talking about looking to move forward with talks, we're going to correct this entire move. Okay. This is also why you could be seeing GJ moving back up now. So if we start breaking above this area here, I'll say we're gonna move back to bullish on GJ. Excuse me. But I think we should melt this morning on gold now, actually. Yeah, I might have to take these once we start breaking below. I might have to put a sell stop in around here. Right at 1850. I'm gonna use like a little bit of a lower risk for this. but it's in. This gets hit. We have like 10 minutes till. What the fuck is this dude's profile picture, bro? Ooh, look at this rejection on gold. I don't want to read the replies. Thanks for the news, buddy. What the hell is this shit? Like, did they run it up? Hey. I don't know. We'll start to see. Like, I'll be willing to play the buys here on gold still. I honestly kind of like both at this point, because it's like we at least have a reason for why both would happen, right? What's Bitcoin doing? Dude, I seen some absolute wild. I'm not in this anymore. I did close my Bitcoin out, boys. I closed it when we started breaking back below this area. I don't really care for catching a huge chonky move. Dude, I seen some wild ass claim that because if we started going to war, or like if the war did end up erupting, that Bitcoin's gonna go to 90,000. I was like, Bitcoin, if anything, as far as everything I've seen, it's traded and treated like the stock market. It's seen as an asset, and stock market not doing too hot, bro. It's not gonna do too hot if we start talking about doing all that. Wait, what do I know, bro? Let's see. Let's see. I love this song. What's everyone seeing here? I might take my sell stops out. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like the buys are still better for gold, especially because we came in here and rejected this area. But if this 15 does end up coming below here and closing bearish, then I would say I'm gonna keep my sell stop in. Because I mean, on the higher time frame, like 1 hour and down, well, from everything down to the 30, we are bearish. But what up, Henry? Good seeing you, bro. As always, as always. Anyone, did you see this move that GJ just did, Henry? Absolute juicer, bro. I was actually in sales. Almost up 10. Boom, fucking straight to my stop loss. But those happened before. I took these before the stream had even started. I took them on the break of this 1 hour low. Boom, we were up. And then yeah, it just kind of, just got back from school. Nice, bro. How's school? What did you learn today? Anything important? Do you talk about does your school talk about the conflicts over in Ukraine or no? You know what's crazy is I remember whenever we would talk about them back in when I was in like 7th grade, dude, back in like 2014. Nope, you don't talk about all that there? What do you mean, bro? See, I don't know, they talk about it in school for me. I feel like it's important to know what the hell's going on in the world around you. But at the same time, they don't want you to know that. if we keep it in a buck. How was your guys' weekend though? Honestly, I'll tell you about mine. Did a little bit of Valentine's Day shopping. I got some shit from my mama, some Louis. Dropped a little bit of a bag at the Louis store. I'll show you what I got her. So I got her this purse. Spoil my mama. So you got this purse. Pretty fire. I got the red because that's her favorite color. I like the brown too with the red. Yeah, I don't fucking know. It's got like some suede on the inside, something like that. Nasty giving me hearts. That's my mama in the chat, by the way. Nasty. No, I'm playing. And then I'll show you the other thing I got. Let me put this back in here. I'm looking. I think the gold buys might be nice, boys. Sheesh, yeah. I didn't actually, like, I had posted on my Instagram story that I was there, but I didn't actually show anyone what I got. I'll get this shit in here, and then I'll show you the other thing I got. The other thing's actually fire. Those are for you, right? Shit. You my mama? Mommy? You ever hear you ever hear that shit? And then here's the other thing I bought. It's just like wallet. Pretty fire. I like this one. I don't know. I like the black. It's a double zip. You can hide all that money. And then I did get a little bit of something for myself too. I won't lie, I did. Just cause, alright, so like my wallet been ripping and shit, bro. It's just been absolutely getting destroyed because I've had it for so long. It's just like some cheap ass generic little leather one. So I bought myself a nice. I mean, dude, this thing is fucking huge, bro. I'm not gonna even cap. I'm like, I put this shit in my pocket for the first time yesterday. I was like, Jesus Christ, fam. I was like, this shit's huge. Yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. It's pretty cool. It came with this, wow, look clean. Yeah, thank you. That's fire, yeah. It came with this, card, too. I guess this is, like, what you'd use to, or, like, they come with this shit if it's, like, a real, or whatever. I don't know. But the whole back of it is in French, and I can't read it. I don't know if you'll be able to even see it. But I was like, fuck it, I'll keep it in here. Why not? Alright, we got 40 seconds left. But yeah, that's what I did this weekend. 40 seconds left. 15 closing. Strong bullish. Yeah, man, that's for cutting your coke. Listen, bro. Need them nice lines. Yeah, you already know, bro. You already know. Alright, so let's see what happens here. If we move down initially, I'll probably look to take a breakout above here, honestly, because I don't want to. I mean, you could. If we start moving up to retest here, that's like 20 pips actually. Maybe we will do that. But I just don't want it to go and break this high and then start rejecting. Actually, yeah, that's what we'll do. We start breaking this high here, I'll take the buys. A little more, a little more, a little more. No? They don't want to do it. Alright, maybe I'll wait. Look at this. How deadly would this be if we came and filled this wick, bro? Which is kind of what it looks like it wants to do. Like if you go to the higher time frame. Yeah, I'll wait. I'll take the buys above here if they happen, but I'll wait. And my sell stop will still be in place. I might actually move it up towards here. It wasn't at 1850 flat. I might move it up to like 1851. Or not my buy stop, my sell stop. Sell stop, sell stop. Alright, I'm gonna modify it. Cool. So now my sell stop's right here. If we get a fire winning trade off of this, boys, I'll start screaming this song for you. Rex came in, I was still in a Tonka. I don't know who they is. I don't know who they are. Why do you have to be sounding the same? Also, news today, there's no news. But we have this guy speaking. Yeah, so far we're waiting though. I know if you guys wanted to, I mean, it might be riskier though because all this traffic. That's why I'm not doing it. I mean, there's a chance it sells to fill this wick here. But I'll wait. Because I don't like taking counter turn trades as it is, boys. I really, really don't. I don't like taking them at all. I'd rather wait for the better setup. But this might be what we do for the day. And there's a good... like, I don't know. The risk is worth taking. Because we got a 100 pip range from here to here. Well, it's like 80 pips. Right? But honestly, 80 pips is still fire. But, if I get burned on this, it's karma, bro, because I was making fun of someone who, well, let's look. Go to, where the fuck is he at? Yeah, this man right here, his post, he made earlier. I was laughing so hard at this, bro. But meanwhile, their shit going straight to stop loss because they were trading against the trend trying to buy GJ. Meanwhile, Raja, he's catching a goddamn bag with 80 bun. So if I get burned on this, it's karma. It's karma because I was laughing so hard at this. Look at that comment too. Emotional damage. Look at this clown. It's one loss. Don't pretend as though you win every trade. Be humble. This dude is known for doing this shit. He'll sit here. Nah, we won't start. But all I gotta say is I've literally watched him sit there and tell people I will only be looking in his signal group, right? I've seen screenshots where he will say I'm only looking to take buys on GJ today, right? Next signal he sends is a fucking sell. Like 20 minutes later. What happened to your bias, buddy? You just fucking throw this shit right out the window? That and then like, I don't know. I mean, hey, whatever. I ain't gonna talk too much. But you guys get where I'm coming from, right? Let's see. Just gold want to move down. So far, very slow, very choppy. GJ, same team, bro. Same team. Imagine we come and correct this whole move. Dude, it might. Yeah, what happened? I'm on these drugs. The buys would be a good play today too. Honestly, whatever ends up happening, happens. So we'll say buys above 1858. We don't trade in here. Woke up on the Exxon back on Percocets again. No trade range, no trade range, and then you could take sells below 1850. How did that look? But even with the buys, if we take buys, you could honestly today, boys, probably put buy stops and sell stops in. Like, I might do that. You got 40 pip range here. And then from the breaks of these lows down to our very first target is 85 pips. And I use this level here because this is where, like, when price was ranging, you can see that this is a key level 42 and 36. Technically, this could maybe go a little deeper. I mean, this is the most recent support at 1840 flat. But I went and ran the fuck up. Be body tonko what you want. Yeah, it might start going now after that 5-minute close. Unless it's gonna sit here and play with us today. You know what also is crazy? I don't know how the hell it took me this long to learn this, but there's basically only 10 banks that move the Forex markets. So, like, it would make a lot of I mean, like, I'm pretty sure I've heard that before, but like, I actually went and looked it up today to see what they all were. But I guess that would make sense why whenever you see something moving up at the same time, something else is too. Because if there's only really 10 big competitors, I mean, they're probably putting orders in on everything at the same time. Tonka, big body Tonka, what you want? What a move, bro, for GJ. That shit hit me with the Geeker Day special. The stop loss special, that's what I got hit with. Oh, I had an idea that I'm gonna do for you guys. So I'm gonna go through either tonight or like later today, and I'm gonna write down like every single fundamental asset of like each currency, each like whether it's like stock market, gold, and then like all the reasons why they hold the certain value that they do. So that way whenever we talk about some of the fundamentals, you might have a little bit of an easier understanding. Dude, what is this New York session so far, bro? This shit is fucking atrocious.
skeptic. Yeah, I'm too high, I don't know which way left is. I'm in my bag, I'm a whole different creature. You're going outside playing, follow the leader. I don't want your money, I don't want a feature. You smoking on crack, you a whole
One of the teacher.
I'm full of high tech, my soda gets sweeter. I rock out the stage while you sit in the bleacher. I'm making more money than my fucking teacher. They blasting my music up loud on the speaker. The hill that I'm on, that's why it's getting deeper. You was just a hater, now you a believer. Her top in my fever, yeah, she is a keeper.
Damn, I forgot to post on the Instagram that we went live too. Damn. You're up 15. Did you take them cells? Nice. This is actually a beautiful setup. I thought personally, honestly, I thought we were just like by the way the 4-hour was looking. Good shit though. Good shit though. Yeah, that's a good setup. Beautiful. This is a beautiful setup. This is like a setup that you get like a week. So obviously, like you're looking for the cells. Weak candle here. Next one breaks the low and fucking slams. It's the same thing with buys too. Like if you ever get like a weak bearish candle. I don't really see any here to show you, but I'm gonna get a screenshot of this and save my PC, honestly. Cool. Because I want to start making like all of the best setups. I want to start making a like a journal thing, so that way we can just like pull them up for the stream, bro. I took a video on my Snapchat and I never hit send or nothing. Penis fly trap. You stick your dick in there, it munches it up, gives you head. Penis fly trap. Alright, why is it still playing, bro? Penis fly trap. Stick your dick in and it eats it up. I might as well get a picture up for the Instagram still. Ooh, so we had this 15 come on close below here. Nice, we should start moving down. Not inside her pores, bitch. She like to drink it in. Ooh. I love to see it though, the volume in GJ. You said you were up 15. I'm like, damn, bro, how? What's the news for USD? I don't know. One of the Federal Reserve chairs members speaking about something. Due to discuss monetary policy. Yo, what up, you Raj? Slow ass New York session, bro. GJ should continue melting at this point, but I missed my opportunity. I can't believe I got burnt, bro. Any trades? No, I haven't been any. I did take a trade, but it was before the stream had started on GJ. I was up almost 10 pips, okay? So I took it on this 1 hour break at this low here. And I was up. I would have been up if spreads didn't exist. I would have been up 10. But I didn't get my 10. And honestly, I was looking to hold it. Just because we are bearish. And then, yeah, something happened. I don't know. I just got hit. Just went straight to my stop loss. Whatever it is as a 10 pip stop. Or no, was it? Oh yeah, I believe I took my. Yeah, I had my stops above this 30-minute. Yeah. I was gonna say, how the hell did I have it? Because I know I put it in and it was 10 pips, but I was like, that's not 10 pips. Why didn't you get break even? Because I thought we were gonna keep moving down. I didn't expect a 5-minute candle to juice up for 64 pips. Honestly, that and it came back to my entry so quickly at that point. Everything was looking good. This candle closed against me. I guess I could have then. But yeah, little loss. Raja beefing with Daniel Savage. I know, bro. I love to see it. I thought that shit was funny as hell, bro. We were talking about that earlier on the stream. I was saying about how I don't want to take a sell here on gold today just because, like, I don't like, and that's like one of my biggest rules is trading against the trend. But I was like, well, I showed the post on the Instagram post that he made. I was like, if I take a counter trend trade and try to sell gold today, I was like, I'm gonna end up like him, bro. I'm gonna end up. It's gonna be karma for me laughing at him. So, but I mean, I don't know. Too much range to come in correct here if we end up moving down on gold. So, I feel like it's worth the risk. So I have a sell stop in right now. I'm honestly about to take it out though because I don't really see us. It's not looking like it wants to move down, and we're about to print bullish on this 30. So maybe we'll break out. I would like to take the breakouts buys above here on this next 30. Yeah, Daniel Savage. Dude, I just don't understand why you would even want to look to buy GJ, bro. Like, I don't understand. Like, I mean, like, does he not have, like, this super strong ass level that we've fought against marked up? Like, at all? And, like, any understandings of the fundamentals? I will say, though, we'll have to see what happens with this now. This shit do be looking like it wants to juice, bro. What the hell? Help me rest with the damn memes, bro. Dude, we need him in the chat, bro. He'll read this market structure like a god. He'll tell me which way this shit going. Say, Wes, we going up or down, bro? He'll start dropping Maui's in the fucking chat, going mental. With the perks or the boot up. We just hopped out of the Aston, big bro, off of that Roxy. Oh, I really want to wait for this next candle, boys, but sometimes the gold's not going to wait for the next one. If it starts breaking above. All I can say is, if this candle, like, when you're waiting for the closures of these candles, there's no chance that it's going to come up and close, like, right here or nothing for gold. It's going to come up and fucking close, like, right here. So, just watching how the fucking shit has moved. Think I'm done sipping Zion. Think I'm done dealing Ellen. I'm just pulling off the drink. I need a Percocet. Rolling off the dirty with your bitch. She flirting, yeah. I'm off a Tonka Willy Wonka. Now we splurging, yeah. I need her mouth straight off the wake up. Ain't no curving, yeah. We like having fun. We party with them guns. Going to crib. I get the safe. I need the funds. I'm in the strip club. I ain't throwing up no ones. I did my thing, God said I'm the one. Pulling around, off the Drake, got me chilling. You ride around, inside the Tonka, got no ceiling. Right now, need them person about the ceiling. If she hate me, I be off the drugs, don't got no feelings. And it's crazy, we touch the top, but we still ain't break no ceilings. You ain't never touched the mill, so you don't know how the hell I'm feeling. Think I'm done shipping side, think I'm done dealing Ellen. I put pain on that side of it, the curtains. Let's see. I'm waiting to execute. It went up and broke that high. We've got 1 minute left. Come on, please don't do it on this last 1 minute of this candle, boys. I'm gonna have to sit on my hands. Get the chopper. Alright, I would personally like a little bit of a bottom wick on this 30-minute candle, but this is where we're going to look to execute. Alright, go ahead and make the bottom wick. And you let young Midas take the grips from here, boys. Such a ugly New York session, boys. What is this shite, bro? Go up and give me. Just start breaking out. Ridiculous. Crazy, crazy. See if it wants the juice or not yet. Oh, notice how we never broke this 4-hour high. Put the magnet on, boys. Which wick is this? This wick. I mean, it basically kissed it. Oh. Alright, if it starts going up and breaking the high now, Hey, kiss it on the nose. No way. What's up, Melina? You might see us take this by here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Juice, bitch. Come on, go up. New York session is dog shit so far. So we're looking to see this candle go up and break this one's high right here. Like if we start seeing this candle come up and start breaking above here, kind of like it's about to do right now, then we're gonna hit buy. Quit playing around, bro. What does this look like on a lower time frame? Oh, yo, yo. What's up, Melina? Are you going to work soon? Tell him you don't ever miss, yeah. I might put a buy stop in for this, just in case. Because I'm pretty sure if we start breaking out and coming up towards like 1858, 78, no chance we don't just keep moving up, right? We got a bullish 4 hour on our previous candle. And then some good clean traffic to move up and flip this daily candle as well. Patience, boys, patience. It'll pay. Alright, go and hit. Go and break this. Alright, actually, buy stop, price 1858.7. Where's 0.7 at? Alright, yeah, that works for me. I'm gonna put a buy stop in. Turn this magnet off. 1858.7. My buy stop is in. So if it goes up and hits 1858.7, it's automatically gonna put me into a buy. What up, Josco? You got a buy stop into? Nice. It might get triggered here. We've been waiting for this for a minute. Hopefully we eat, bro. Nice. We're breaking above. Let's see if mine gets triggered in. I'm like a half a pip. I'm getting put in. Alright, I'm in. Nice. Beautiful. Alright, I'm up 10 already. Nice. We're going to probably look to take 20 pips from this. Alright, I'm going to take my 10. Come on, why is it saying please wait? Bro, why did it take me so long to get out? Did anyone hear how long it took? I mean, whatever. I got my it ended up being like 10. Cool. 11 pips in 3 seconds. You got Jaws code? Nice, fam. Beautiful. Quick move. This should keep moving up though. We're gonna get a nice 4-hour closure here too. Expect a downwick on this next candle. We're gonna delete all this mess so we can look at this. Simple, simple, simple. Who else got that? Beautiful move, just fucking exploded. This might be just like a retest, pullback on a lower time frame, continuation back up towards 1862. You should get a nice 40 pips today if you're still in this. You got 17 pips, Henry? Nice, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. Dude, I tried to close mine out at like 16 and then my MetaTrader, my terminal fucking froze or something, bro. It lost connection. It kept saying, please wait. I need to get my shit figured out with my MetaTrader on my PC. Dude, for whatever reason, the charts like won't show up, and then like neither will like the buy or sell one-click trading buttons. You had a buy stop in at 59, yet it put me in like 6 pips above that. What broker am I using? So for my live account, I use code FOREX. But then my funding, I have one FTMO account, and then I have 2 my FOREX funds ones that I also trade. Well, I don't really trade my 100k FTMO. I usually look for like good setups on that one nowadays. And then I initially did one of the 50Ks because I wanted to give it away for the stream, like once we hit like 1,000 or something. But now I don't even know if I could do that because like I had remembered that like when you get funded and all that, you have to verify like your address, you have to send in photo ID and like all that kind of stuff. So like I don't know if I want to give someone an account that has to do with something with like financial stuff that has all my information linked to it. Nice, this is moving up beautifully now at this point. Patience pays, boys. Patience pays. Simple, simple, simple. I might be looking to move my brokerage though. I keep seeing a lot of people using this one. Oh, I don't want to make one. I want to see what the actual spreads are. Is that it? Don't tell you what their fucking spreads are. I would not be trading on this dog shit. Low spreads starting at 1.5 pips. Yeah, 0 commissions. Yeah, this is where they make their money, boys, on the spreads. I'd rather pay commissions on my trades and get low spreads. You're either gonna get hit with them somewhere, right? All right, we're gonna get a beautiful close on this 15-minute too. So yeah. I would look to secure, like, if you're still in this holding, maybe secure a little more, just because, you know, we got a new 4-hour that's gonna print on this, and then this is the last 15-minute that's gonna be on this 4-hour candle. So you don't want to play around with this 4-hour making its top wick, right? It could pull back some. GJ, I guess it's slowly starting to move down. This looks too ugly for me. It's not even making like any bottoms or top wicks, like whatever direction, excuse me, it's moving. This is too long of a wick. Like, I wouldn't sit here and bet on this filling it. I'd rather wait for this 1 hour. If you're looking to sell GJ, wait for this 1 hour to close bearish. But be careful, because we are bullish on the 4-hour. Pretty heavily bullish. We might move back up into this area, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Can you quit the cap and just hear burning beans? No, I'm not one to chat, sit back and learn some things. She know, we know, she want bigger things. She gon' let that she don't hit the things. We know, she know, he don't got no rings. I said, gum is 0, I don't have no fans. Come around and truck with us. Come around, collect these bucks with us. Taste so love and taste so drugs until you throw it up. Mama told you down, sorry, no, I ain't growing up. Which one the belly? Hold the road retro, it going up. Stomach hurt, I rub my belly till I throw it up.
Got your win today. See you tomorrow. All right, homie. I'll see you tomorrow. Beautiful. He showed up just in the right time. Hey, fine by me. My ass had to sit there all morning for that shit. Young Midas back at it again, though, boys. Young Midas back at it again. I'm gonna unmute Discord. Yo, what up, bums?
Yo.
Simple. Did you get the? Oh wait.
I didn't get, I just ended up closing because it started melting as soon as it.
Yeah, that's right. Wait, so you had a buy?
I don't know why it did that. I had a buy stop at 59 flat, and it didn't put me until like I'll have to go check real quick. It was like 5 or 6 pips above that. I was like, bro, what? I literally put a buy stop in so it wouldn't do that.
Yeah, sometimes like you get. Whoa, yeah, I don't know. So like, sometimes, like when it moves real fast, it'll get slipped and it won't activate right away.
I guess I just got cooked.
Cause I know like mine will count for the spread, so that's why I moved it up a little bit more. So like, say I have a 3-pip spread.
Yeah, that's why I put mine even higher than yours, because I was like, mine got slipped last time on gold, like pre-slip.
That's crazy that it slipped yours with at 59. Holy shit.
That's what I'm saying.
I didn't really watch the candle print. I was like looking at my MetaTrader and I was
shot
up.
lightning fast.
Yeah, it entered the trade and I was up 10. And I was like, oh, nice, beautiful.
Correct.
I'm wondering if there wasn't like a something with the liquidity providers around the world or whatever, because at the same time that yours might have got hit and entered, it was the same time I was trying to close, and it literally took forever to fucking close it, bro. I just want to see if we're gonna come up and retest this high, and then I'll probably end the stream. I mean, it's like 10 pips away. Nice. All right, it's up 30
need
pips
to-
right now. If anyone's still in this, it's up 30 pips right now.
I wish my bias. I don't know. Like, I just got cucked. I don't know what I could have did differently.
Yeah, sometimes it just happens.
Oh, whatever.
Go ahead and tap that high, bro. Nice, boom.
Watch it just break
Full
out.
TP for like 40 pips. Smash, bro. 38.4 pips. Smash. Imagine it breaks out. It might. I don't know. Well, we'll have to look at this. Look at the daily candle now.
Oh, yeah, good. Like,
Daily
that weight
candle
can come
might
back down or
continue.
break it and keep going.
We'll see how this 4-hour closes. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the stream here. Beautiful day. We called a nice 40 pipper trade on gold, and I mean that was it today for the stream. We didn't have anything on GJ. I did have a trade on GJ, but let's see, trades taken. Write that up there for anyone that might come back and look at the strum. But that was it for today for me. I'm done. I'm interested to see if we'll keep continuing up with the day throughout the rest of this New York session for gold. We should. Looking at it, everything technically lines up. We just need to break this daily high at 1865. So if we start breaking above this point, we should continue moving up. And I mean, honestly, it looks like it wants to. Right? We should definitely probably see 1875 or 1870 at least. But I'm going to end the stream here, boys. Boys, girls, in case what's her name is still here. But it's time for us to go to war, boys. It's time for us to go to war. What the war you wanted? This is what you get. Look at that shit, bro. 40 pip banger. Didn't even have to press no buttons. Shit just went straight up. Until a live hit. I was in a Z65. She's
I'm a chip, I said the fuck, I need no stylist. Yeah, when I walk inside this building, I'm the flyest. Yeah, I might be high every night, but I'm still trying. Yeah, since the shots into the sky while we were driving. Yeah, this break just told me I'm OD, but I ain't dying yet. Yeah, I lost my bitch, I cut him off myself, I'm crying. I said, at myself, how the fuck I get this kind? I said, at myself, how the fuck I been dying? I said, at myself, how the fuck if I ain't dying? Yeah, I'm moving the hardest in my total money. Yeah, woke up on this perky dozed off. Yeah, but it can like a bulldoze. Yeah, I was on 65th, right by 6th. You playing like it's April 1st, bitches April 5th. Yo, bitch, he slide through and see the shit my kids. Fuck this, say this, no bitch turn this been my bitch. Yeah, I don't even know no more, I don't even exist. Yeah, H got rid of all my emotions, no more tears. How long you going for? I told him years. I was in that wide body, I've been in fear. Yeah, we going to war. 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 Yeah, you ain't going to war. Yeah, I can't feel no more. 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 No, she does the hard. No, she does the hard. Yeah, sliding in that CA, I'm to the third part. I gotta go through TSA to the airport. Yeah, brand new tear, my body know this not Teflon. Yeah, they don't even read it back, don't need know that part. Yeah, your career been out of gas, so it make it that far. Yeah, why not take this, say that's what it's there for? Why not take this, that's what it's there for?